This week, you will be doing ELA week of February 5th. It's due on Friday, February 9th. In the first one, it says, read to self and practice your power goal. You're doing this 3 times for 20 minutes each. Check the box when you finished one. For work on writing this week, required for 15 minutes, reread Marching with Aunt Susan in the text collection. For additional information, also read page 134. So if you want to learn even more, you can turn to page 134 and read that too. Required for 20 minutes. Then, answer the REPS question in the resource area. Don't forget to refer to the RAPS poster in your room if you need help remembering how to do it. Independent. For the RAPS question, you may read with a buddy or by yourself. Reflect when you're finished. Required for 10 minutes. When you are finished with your informational writing, score yourself and edit your writing using the RAPS rubric in the resource area. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. And then an optional, if you're done with everything else, you can trade your writing with a partner and score each other's RAPS question using the RAPS rubric. Reflect when you're done. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, read the biography, Harriet Tubman. Then complete the page in the resource area. You can read and do the page independently or with a pair. Write your buddy on the line if you do it with a pair, and reflect when you're finished. Listen to reading this week is Raz Kids, 15 minutes, set your timer. Listen to a story of Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? Write it on this line. Take the quiz, write down your score. Put the score on this line. Raz Kids is independent. Reflect when you're finished. For foundational skills this week, required for 20 minutes, green readers are doing the Soft C, Soft G word list. You're reading the word list and recording it on Seesaw. Blue readers, Soft C and Soft G word sort. Red readers, Soft C and Soft G sort and those sentences. White readers, Soft C and Soft C G stories. Foundational is independent. Reflect when you're finished. New this week, required for 5 minutes, scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. So go scan the QR code for your level and practice those tricky words. This can be independent, or you can listen with a buddy on your level, pair. Reflect when you're finished. For social studies this week, you have a choice to read or scan. You're reading Finding Places on the Map from the resource area, or scan the QR code and listen to Finding Places on the Map. This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're finished. Required for 15 minutes, complete the Finding Places on the Map questions in your resource area. You may also scan the QR code to listen to the questions be read to you. Independent with the worksheet. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.